welcome to the Today's Money Masters. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Manu. The Today's Money Masters competition comprises 3 professional investors and a novice, each provided with $500,000 to invest. The participants will invest in stocks, bonds, and collective investment schemes. They will share their strategies over a 1-year period, at the end of which the top portfolio manager will be declared. So let's continue with the masters on this very exciting journey. Now, a word from our sponsors.
Have you ever been interested in an IPO but didn't have the time to go in branch and submit all the documents? We've got a solution for that. With NCB Capital Markets Go IPO portal, you can submit and track your IPO application from any of your favorite devices. No need to go in branch. No need to contact a wealth advisor. No extra fees. And it's accessible to both NCB and non-NCB clients for all our offers. So no excuses. Investing is easier with Go IPO. Visit www.goipo.jncb.com or text GoIPO to 876-383-1729 and start investing today.
Andre, Mailpack seems to have been doing pretty well financially recently. Why didn't you look at them for one of your stock options?
I did look at them. However, liquidity constraints prevented me from investing in Mailpack. I wouldn't necessarily say it's an investment that's made for everyone. I think you have to have a risky appetite to go into Mailpack. Despite the company raising $500 million or thereabout in funds, in investments from the initial public offering, the company is essentially left completely uncapitalized after that. It has no retained earnings. The money is going towards the selling shareholder, which is half of it, about $250 million there. The remainder is going towards servicing debt.
You recently bought AMG Paper and Packaging. What were the recent developments about that company that drove you to make that purchase? Can you talk to us a little bit about that?
AMG Paper and Packaging, they're a manufacturer of cardboard or corrugated boxes.
Okay.
So most of the boxes that you probably would have come in contact with, if you flip them, you may see AMG stamp on the back.
Okay.
So historically, the company's core focus was manufacturing boxes. In 2015, the management decided to go into the manufacturing of toilet paper products. Forward to 2019, the company has now done away with the toilet paper segment of the business and has now decided to refocus on box manufacturing, right? And now their financials have started to look better.
Do you see Jamaica Money Market Group share price going beyond the all-time high of around $55 in the near future?
Certainly. We see where net profit has grown year to date 35%, right?
With inflation at around?
With inflation at around, if you say 3 to 4%, right?
So we're talking some real growth.
Real growth. In addition to that, when you look at JMMB's current price to earnings ratio, we're seeing where it's trading at about 16.9 times earnings.
You bought 3,000 units of Carreras Group Limited, Richard. Where do you see this stock going and why?
Okay, well, Carreras is a unique stock. If you look at the past year performance, it has somewhat underperformed. So when I examine the price as well as what's happening in the market, I think I'm getting this at a good value. I looked at its whole operating costs and how the value have grown, where it did $3.4 billion in this first quarter, 2019-20, and that
3.4 billion.
3.4 billion
With a B.
Yes, which represents a 10% increase. It basically dominate the whole cigarettes market, where now they're trying to create new products, and new products was launched as it relates to new types of cigarettes and a new variant.
Sure.
I think that will speak well to the sales.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever been interested in an IPO but didn't have the time to go in branch and submit all the documents? We've got a solution for that. With NCB Capital Markets Go IPO portal, you can submit and track your IPO application from any of your favorite devices. No need to go in branch. No need to contact a wealth advisor. No extra fees. And it's accessible to both NCB and non-NCB clients for all our offers. So no excuses. Investing is easier with Go IPO. Visit www.goipo.jncb.com or text Go IPO to 876-383-1729 and start investing today.
The Money Masters Funds. It's all about real growth, safety and security of your assets. The Growth Fund gives higher returns for the investor more focused on growth. Money Masters Funds, providing growth and security, performance and financial peace of mind.
We are CUFMC, Credit Union Fund Management Company. Trust matters, and you can believe in our reliability.
Service.
We give impeccable attention to your needs.
Experience.
Careful and prudent are part of our DNA.
Know-how.
After 70 years working exclusively for credit unions, now we're open to all investors. CUFMC, Credit Union Fund Management Company.
How we choose to invest our time today often has a propelling effect for what we gain tomorrow. It's like investing in shares.
Mommy, is this a share?
Yes. You know, she's right. It's similar to how shares work. Companies are publicly listed on the Jamaica stock market. These companies are divided into pieces, and these pieces are what are called shares. The owners of these shares are called shareholders.
Join us next week, same time, for the Masters competition as we meet another participant. Follow the pros and the one novice each week on the Masters competition. Click the like button and subscribe to the Today's Money YouTube channel. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Listen and analyze the strategies with the Masters on RJR 94 FM Thursdays at 8:45 a.m. as they challenge each other to stay ahead. And also look out for the portfolios in the Sunday Gleaner. The Masters competition is a product of Today's Money Limited, brought to you in partnership with NCB Capital Markets Limited, Money Masters Limited, Credit Union Fund Management Company Limited, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. The Masters is another fine product from Today's Money Limited.